some exercises to help you with your ankle and shin health. It's good for rehab, good for recovery and restoration after training, or even before. It's part of a little dynamic warm-up. This is a rock back to roll over. So we rock the weight back with the toe up, rock into the heel, and then forward through the entire ankle. Do about 8 to 10 each leg. Calf raise on the outside. Again, I do 5, rest, do another 5, really push up through the toes. It's great for your ankles and your shins. Some calf drops. So we go up high, drop down, nice and controlled. And this is where we go faster. It's a good shock to the calves, but it'll build up your Achilles strength. Strengthen your feet as well. And the ability to fire muscles on and off to contract when you need to. I'll do 5 normal and then 5 fast like this. And we just go single leg. Nice and high, get a good stretch through the calf on the way down. Do 6 to 8 each leg. Just the right leg. Hold on to something for stability, for a bit of control. Go on to the next leg. It's the left for me. Getting up, controlled, down, controlled. See me bring my hand in there, struggling a bit with balance. You know, do whatever you need to balance this out.